Hello everyone, my name's Jesse, and welcome to today's period of the day. We're doing arts and crafts, specifically rock buddies. This is an old one I did from back when I was a camper. As you can tell, I was a man of many words back in the day. That's why he has a mouth. So, what you'll need to do this safely, cleanly, and effectively, I recommend first off getting newspaper or at least something to cover your table with, because we don't want to get paint all over the table. Your parents will not be happy. Take my word for it. Now, what I have here is I have one of those fancy little art painter's tray thingies, right? I don't know what they're called, but a paper plate or any small receptacle will do. And you can pick as many colors as you'd like. I have more colors than I need here. You can have a look at them before they run onto the table. I have more colors than I need, but I just wanted some options. I also have a cup with water so that I can clean my brushes. I have a couple of rhinestones so that I can stick some things onto my rock, because we don't just have to paint. You can add other accessories if you want. On that note, actually, if you have a hot glue gun and you'd like to hot glue maybe googly eyes or maybe like a pom-pom mohawk, I suggest you ask a parent to operate the glue gun itself, because those get very hot and it's very easy to burn yourself. So if you want to glue things, either get school glue, that's easy to work with, or a hot glue gun, and please ask a parent to help you. Let's get into it. Here's my rock of choice. I've got my paintbrushes here. I think I'm going to start with eyes, because we can't... Also, I'm going to pick this side. The side facing you is the side I'm going to paint. So for his eyes, I'm going to dabble in the white, and I'm going to do a little boop, boop. So now, cool. Now he's got two little eye sockets. We can't call them sockets yet, can we? But you know, he doesn't have irises yet. He doesn't have any color in his eyes. He's just, yeah, blank stare. What else? What else do we need? We need a nose. Let's grab a smaller brush and paint on a little nose like that. Does that look like a nose? Hey, not bad. You know what? That's kind of a nose. Unfortunately, I now realize that all of the nooks and crannies make it look like he has a unibrow, but that's okay. You know what? You know what? Actually, I will give him a unibrow, because unibrows are beautiful. Anyone disagrees? Come talk to me. So, we have our wonderful, joyful little rock buddy here. So far, so good. He's got the most wonderful brows in all of Toronto, because that's where I am. Now, let's... Is he going to be smiling or just serious? Smiling. Good answer. I like that. I like the way you think. So I think, since he's going to be smiling, we want to see those pearly whites. I'm going to start with black. I'm going to go around the perimeter of his mouth. I'm just going to shape the smile. He's got a big mouth. Got a big mouth, this boy. So, he's excited, right? He can even... Nope, never mind. He's excited. And now I'm gonna grab a different clean paintbrush, because ideally we don't want to mix up our colors. It'll ruin the effect. I'll get those teeth in there. I'm separating the top and the bottom right now. Separating the top row of teeth from the bottom row of teeth. This is not going to end well. I warn you now. Just goes to show that you get what you get, really. No one's perfect, and that's okay. So I'm going to fill this in a bit. I now realize that I really didn't need to split it up, top teeth and bottom teeth. I just need to fill it in and then trace them out with the black paint. So that's what I'm going to do. We're almost there. Just got a bit left on the bottom here. Okay, cool. Big smile there. A little lopsided, that's okay. No one's symmetrical anyways. Symmetricality is overrated. Now we're gonna go back to our black. What's it called? The paintbrush. I swear, I know what I'm talking about. And now, I should probably wait to let it dry a little, but I'm too eager. Gonna go like this. And through. Yeah. Here's what now they look like very thick lips. But once I give the, you know, the vertical separation, it should do well. So the reason I'm dipping my, the reason I'm rinsing off my brush is because, like I had mentioned, I haven't waited long enough. So the white paint here is still wet. When I went to put the black paint on over top, obviously some of the white paint came up and my black turned into gray. So that's why we want to keep a clean paintbrush, and we want to paint over dry paint. That way you don't inadvertently change the color. You know, we go from using a red on a white to all of a sudden it becomes pink. You know, if you wanted white, you don't want pink. Yeah, be clean, wait till it's dry, or accept the consequences. See, oh man, he looks evil from this angle, but now he looks ready to help. One thing we're still missing, however, I'm just realizing, he needs emotion in his eyes. Now he's just a blank, well, it's a rock, but I've got some rhinestones here, and I plan on using the blue ones because I've never seen anybody with clear colored eyes. Though I would like to see that. That'd be pretty interesting. That'd be pretty cool. So I'm gonna put you right in there. Okay. A little less, I mean a little more creepy, but also a little less creepy. And one more. I don't think I got the adhesive off of that. Oh. Ta-da! And okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, from 2015 we have Ricky. And from 2020, we have Rocky. So I hope you've enjoyed. This is how you do arts and crafts rock buddies. There's not much to it. If you want to sort of step outside your comfort zone and maybe hot glue some pom-poms on it, that works too. And soon you'll have a bunch of friends smiling and keeping you company and stuff. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you follow along and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye-bye.